Where you got this from? Your dad?
Yeah. I hope you didn't go buy all this for me because I don't have no money to pay you. The reason we're doing our brakes and everything in the driveway of my house is because we're cheap.
This is worse than the damn other jack.
Well, the other jack broke, so it ain't worse. Because it could be. It's not.
Where you got this from? Your dad?
Yeah.
This one of them's got a,
It's in the car.
is it?
Too big? Too small. Your dad's busy. Let's see. What's it? It had them. What can I get? Worse.
You sure that's right?
Yeah, that's it. It was in the glove box. What else would it have been?
This thing's leaning already.
Is it? Told you and was like, hey man, you think you can give me a hand with this? So that'll work. Yeah, okay. So because I was nervous.
Hey, they got good stuff at Harbor
They
Freight.
do, man.
You gonna pay me half of the money you get off of this?
Yeah,
mess?
but you're looking at long-term investment.
No,
Like
I'm the
years.
I'm the
I
I'm
told
the
you I
star
would
of
do
the
it if
show.
you show me.
I'm the star of the show. Step 17 will probably work.
Like dude goes into work on his right here. What is that?
Oh,
okay.
this
Yeah.
is, you take this out, you spin it around so you can tighten your emergency brake up. See that little knob under there?
Yeah.
You turn it either way, it'll.
Oh, okay. Dang, look at them pliers, man. That's what I'm talking about.
I know they're nice.
I hope you didn't go buy all this for me because I don't have no money to pay you.
No.
So basically on the back of this, there's nothing that runs from here to there other than like suspension.
Yeah, that's all.
How's this gonna turn out that you're doing right now?
Good.
Oh, you act like you've done this before. Oh man, that did not look good. That's what, like when I took my starter off, ain't nobody show you putting it back on. Nobody.
Right.
Nobody.
This?
No, down there.
That's the emergency brake. That's the lever. It goes on the back side of here. Right there.
Oh. Look at that. Hercules.
See if I can get it on there.
You want me to do it? Or you got it? Did it come out?
Yep. There's one.
Yeah, but the reason we're doing our brakes and everything in the driveway of my house is because we're cheap.
Got it off.
Easy.
Got it. See, all that is a wheel speed sensor. Where's my hammer?
Underneath that leg there, yours.
Yeah, feel that?
If you line up them bolt holes like that.
I've been on a YouTube kick here lately. See a bolt.
Like.
Oh shit. Ah, you ain't believe this.
Really bind that in there?
Give him a pry bar.
There we go.
You put a tire on all that, man.
Yeah. This is what the old bearing sounds like. It's not supposed to sound like that. Here's what a new one sounds like. You can barely even hear it. And it's smoother. Thanks, Jacob. These tires are messed up. Look at this dent right here. Then there's tread, then there's no, and then it's the same thing. So that's why there's noise on this side of this one. It wasn't the bearing. We went in and replaced it anyway though. So, but there we go. All done.